The interior width of this room is 28 feet 9 inches, while the interior length of the room is 68 feet 8 inches. This video will show how to center up your ceiling installation within a room for a pleasing, balanced visual. The architect may have grid layout recommendations in their plans, like main runners lined up at center of column, mullions, etc. This is important to check before your installation. A laser is crucial to use when installing today's level ceilings. Luckily, they can be purchased inexpensively from your home center or distributor. Many locations rent lasers as well. Make sure your level line laser is set to the finished height of your ceiling. This is the line that we will hang our wall angle at first. As you can see, on this project we must hammer drill holes for tap-in anchors as we hang our wall angle to the red laser line. Hard nails often work as well when attaching to concrete block. Most often, you will only be attaching to drywall. In that case, a screw gun and drywall screws or fence staples and a hammer are all that you will need to attach your wall angle to drywall. Code does not consider acoustical wall angle structural, however, it must be securely attached to the wall for a finished installation. When you get to your inside corners, a finished 45-degree miter is a much more pleasing visual than simply overlaying butt cuts. All you have to do is mark and cut a 45-degree on the lower angle, then overlay the butt cut upper angle for a perfect mitered visual from below. Your outside corners require a little more attention, but are still easy to achieve a clean mitered visual. Simply let the angle override past the corner, then square butt cut to length. Next, you want to cut away the vertical flange, leaving an exposed horizontal tab. You will do this to both angles that approach the outside corner. After overlaying them at the corner, mark where your 45-degree miter cut will occur on the lower angle. Next, raise your upper angle and make the 45-degree cut on the lower angle only. Square cut your upper angle to length and you're finished with a corner that looks perfectly mitered but is still structurally sound. A spring clamp will hold the corner into place while you do the final attachment to the wall.